Hello everyone, Vinay here. Welcome to my channel Learn Coding with Vinay and playlist ASP.NET Core MVC. In my previous few videos, in the same playlist, we had example of CRUD operations using ASP.NET Core first approach. In next few videos, I am planning to implement CRUD operations using Dapper in ASP.NET Core and MVC. So before we write, even a single line of code, let me quickly show you the database and tables we will be working with. So these are the tables we will be using, and we will be using the existing database that we used in entity framework code first approach, right? So I highly recommend you to go ahead and watch those video. I'll mention the link of those video in the details of this particular video and also in the comment section, right? So what do we have? We have department, we have designation, we have projects, employees, and employee projects, right? So I have kept as of now employee management domain example and kept only these many tables, right? Just to keep it simple and sweet, right? So we have department table where we have only three column: ID, name, and is active flag. Basically, this is active flag is used to uh, mark and whether a record is active or not, right? Because in real world projects, most of the time master data are not deleted, they are marked logical deleted, and they use the certain columns like is active. If this is one, that record is active. If this is zero, the record is inactive, right? The second is designation. Third one is project, similar, these are master data. Then the employee details, the employee table, and then the employee project. So basically, for employee and project, we will have many to many relationship. Basically, one employee can work on multiple projects, and one project can have multiple employees, right? So these are the this is the quick overview of the database tables. Let me also walk you through the UI that we built in previous video, right? Now we have the ASP.NET Core MVC application loaded, where first menu is master data, where we have implemented CRUD operation for department and these other also designation and project. But let me show you this one example, right? So here we can manage the department, we can have create new department screen, right? We can edit the existing department, we can have the details. I can say, I would say, back to list. We can have the delete also, right? And these are the example which are built using ASP.NET Core MVC code first approach, right? And let me go to the employee also. And now we are into the employee screen. Employees are listed again. Here we can edit record, we can go to detail. Let me go to detail first, right? So here are the basic employee details, and here are the list of projects employees working upon. Let me go back, let me go to the create new screen. And this is a very nice, and a kind of good comprehensive screen employee that will give you a good idea, about MVC concepts. So here we will be using Dapper to generate this form, submit all the entries into the database. Previously, we did this same thing using entity framework core first approach, right? And this is a master child detail form kind of thing. So these are the details of a particular employee, and over here the checklist box are the details of project. So a user can select one or many projects out of this our employee can work upon, right? So this is a nice master child form I have designed. And for bootstrap, we for the UI designing, we have used bootstrap. Like this is primary color, this is secondary color, right? So let me go back, and we will be implementing this using Dapper. So hope this give you a good idea about the few videos, upcoming videos about on the Dapper, right? And in the next video, we will work on setting up the project for Dapper implementation, right? So stay tuned and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.